What we got here is a broken sprinkler. Yeah, looks like it. So, let's see if we can fix it. Okay. Let's see. There's the hose. Do we see him here? Pretty simple setup. Sprinkler. Okay, we've got a replacement, huh? Open. So we have the bottom threads here that we have to change out. So just get that done. From this old part, let's check that in the garbage there, and we'll go over and install it and see if we can adjust it. Then we'll let it roll out first. Get together. Okay, all gonna work. Now, see if we can figure out how to turn the water on. Let's see if we can adjust this head. Increase. Let's see. Decrease. Let's see. Okay. What about there? Let's see. once we get the water going, we'll be able to see how it's working. Okay, I've got the, I ran the water till the mud came out of the pipe, and then I screwed it on. But now I can see that this line here is where the sprinkler starts, so it's straight out to the lawn here. And then what's adjustable is you can turn this open. So this is a 360-degree adjustable. So let's just test it out here. Oh, it seems to be working good. Get the water in everywhere. You might be able to adjust it just a little more. See, you just turn this and you see how it opens up a bit. Okay. There we go. It's working. So, I think they're all working then. It's good.